Hi guys, today we're going to talk about plural nouns, regular and irregular. Here you can see a list of nouns. Nouns are words that represent a person, a place, or a thing. They include objects, animals, and ideas. We have plural and singular nouns. Singular nouns are referred to only one, and the plural nouns refer to more than one. In order to make singular noun plural nouns, we can add an S. These are called regular plural nouns. For example, car, cars, dog, dogs, house, houses. However, in English we have irregular plural nouns and they cannot be turned into plural by just adding an S. For example, ending S, CH, SH, X, or Z, you have to add an ES. For example, quiz, quizzes. When a word ends in F or FE, you have to add VES, for example, wolf, wolves. The other rule is when you have a consonant and a Y, you have to remove the Y and add IES, for example, country, countries. When you have an ending a consonant plus an O, you have to add an ES, for example, tomato turns out to be tomatoes. There are some other examples of irregular plural nouns that we have to learn. There are some that have A and they turn into E, as woman and woman, and they turn out to be men and women. There are those that have double O and they have to turn into double E. For example, foot, goose, and tooth, they change to feet, geese, and teeth. There are some others that have no change at all in singular and in plural. Fish, deer, and sheep are examples of this. In singular, you can say fish, deer, and sheep, and in plural, you have to say fish, deer, and sheep. They are the same. And there are those that completely change, always changing. For example, mouse in singular turns out to be mice in plural. Person in singular is people in plural. These and those are demonstrative adjectives that can help us talk about plural nouns. For example, when something is close to us and they're plural, we will use these. In this example, we can say these are donkeys. But if they were far away from us, we will have to use those. So in this sentence will be those are donkeys. In the first example, in the other side, we have fish. Remember that fish in plural is the same as in singular. So talking about two, we will have to say fish. When they're close to us, we will say these are fish. When they're far away from us, we will say those are fish. If you want to keep practicing your plural nouns, you can go into the link and kill the beavers that have the plural nouns. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you in the next class.